How to make comic split screen. Import video and music. Split the video into 4 clips. Import comic split green screen you have downloaded. Choose the green screen and adjust the intensity to remove the green part. Turn the first clip into a pip and put it in the lower layer of the green screen. Remember to aim at one of the comic boxes and add a mask so that the clip can only be displayed in the box. Repeat step 2 to edit the other 3 clips. Add effect speed 2 to the green screen track. Let's take a look at the finished video.